Hello everyone, and welcome to Module 9 of GDPR Training by Complico. In this session, we focus on security of processing, one of the core accountability requirements under the General Data Protection Regulation. Security is not just an IT issue, it is an organizational responsibility. Every employee plays a role in protecting personal data. What does security of processing mean? Under Article 32 of the General Data Protection Regulation, organizations must implement appropriate technical and organizational measures to ensure a level of security appropriate to the risk. This means security must be risk-based, proportionate, regularly reviewed, documented. Risk-based approach. GDPR does not prescribe a fixed checklist. Instead, it requires organizations to consider the nature of the data, the sensitivity of the data, the likelihood of harm, the severity of potential impact. Risk-based approach. GDPR does not prescribe a fixed checklist. Instead, it requires organizations to consider the nature of the data, the sensitivity of the data, the likelihood of harm, the severity of potential impact. Technical security measures. Technical measures are system-based protections. Examples include encryption of laptops and portable devices, multi-factor authentication, MFA, firewalls and intrusion detection systems, secure cloud storage, regular software updates and patching, access controls based on job roles, secure backups. Organizational security measures. Organizational measures relate to policies, processes, and people. Examples include information security policies, staff training, clear desk and clear screen policies, confidentiality agreements, access management procedures, incident response plans, regular audits and reviews. Confidentiality, integrity and availability. GDPR security focuses on protecting 1. Confidentiality. Data is only accessible to authorized persons. 2. Integrity. Data is accurate and not altered improperly. 3. Availability. Data is accessible when needed. Security and processors. When Complico uses third-party processors, security remains a shared responsibility. Under GDPR, controllers must ensure processors provide sufficient security guarantees. Security obligations must be included in a data processing agreement, DPA. Processors must not process data without documented instructions. Sub-processors must be authorized. Testing and monitoring security. GDPR requires organizations to regularly test security systems, evaluate effectiveness of measures, conduct risk assessments, review access permissions, update controls when threats evolve. Personal responsibility at Complico. Every staff member must keep passwords secure, lock devices when unattended, report suspicious emails, phishing, avoid sharing data via unsecured channels. Immediately report potential data breaches. Common security risks. Be aware of phishing attacks, weak passwords, lost or stolen devices, sending emails to the wrong recipient, unauthorized USB use, oversharing data. Thank you for completing Module 9, Security of Processing. Protecting personal data protects our customers, our colleagues, our organization, our reputation. If you have questions about security requirements, contact your manager or the data protection officer.